Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make money with Chatgpt, the language model trained by OpenAI. First, let's define what Chatgpt is. Chatgpt is an AI-powered language model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It has been trained on a massive dataset of human language and can respond to a wide range of prompts, from simple questions to complex queries. How can you make money with Chatgpt? Now, you may be wondering how you can make money with Chatgpt. Well, there are several ways to do so. Content creation. One way to make money with Chatgpt is by creating content that uses the language model as a tool. For example, you could write articles or blog posts that are generated with the help of Chatgpt. You could also create videos or podcasts that use Chatgpt-generated scripts or topics. Consulting. Another way to make money with Chatgpt is by offering consulting services to businesses or individuals who want to leverage the power of the language model. You could help them integrate Chatgpt into their marketing campaigns or develop Chatgpt-powered products. Chatbot development. Chatgpt can also be used to create chatbots that can handle customer inquiries or provide support. You could offer chatbot development services to businesses that want to automate their customer service processes. Freelance writing. As we mentioned earlier, Chatgpt can be used to generate content. You could offer your services as a freelance writer who uses Chatgpt to create articles, blog posts, or other types of content. Teaching. If you're knowledgeable about Chatgpt, you could offer your services as a tutor or instructor to others who want to learn more about the language model. You could create online courses or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Social media management. Chatgpt can also be used to generate content for social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You could offer social media management services to businesses that want to leverage the language model to create engaging posts. Advertising. Chatgpt can be used to create compelling ad copy for businesses. You could offer your services as an ad copywriter who uses Chatgpt to generate ad copy that converts. Product development. Chatgpt can be used to develop products like chatbots, language models, and conversational agents. You could offer product development services to businesses that want to leverage Chatgpt to create innovative products. Research and development. Chatgpt is a powerful tool for research and development. You could offer your services as a researcher who uses Chatgpt to analyze data and generate insights. Translation. Chatgpt can be used to translate content from one language to another. You could offer your services as a translator who uses Chatgpt to generate translations quickly and accurately. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with Chatgpt. Whether you're a content creator, consultant, chatbot developer, freelance writer, teacher, social media manager, ad copywriter, product developer, researcher, or translator, you can leverage the power of this language model to generate income. So why not explore the various possibilities and see how Chatgpt can help you achieve your financial goals? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.